Hey, Seb, it's a beautiful day. Do you want to go outside? Maybe on the land? Yeah. Are you ready, cool dude? Mama's got the gun. We're going to grab the dogs when we get outside, okay? Let's go! There is a bit of a road going out to the cabin, but the last bit is not plowed. So I park here by the main road, and then we walk out, right, buddy? I do have a gun with me. Luke and I both are licensed to carry firearms. While he was building the cabin, there was actually a polar bear that went by our cabin and he didn't know. So we always have one just in case. They're calling for a blizzard tomorrow, so I want to make sure that we got out here and got the dogs running. They're off over there somewheres. Seb's all cozied up. I'm going to pull the hood up a little bit more around his head. And Luke got me a cabin key finally. He had one, he just kept forgetting to give it to me. So now I can go in the cabin whenever I want. I love our short door. I love our short door very much. But we don't have stairs built up yet, so it is very hard to get into the cabin when you have Seb on your back. I'll just keep practicing. A little bit of snow got in, but not bad really. Not bad at all. Guys, look! Arctic hare poop. Look! Some dogs will eat Arctic hare poop. Apparently not mine. But Fen doesn't seem to mind. They will eat lots of snow though. Pretty good at doing it on the fly. Something that we've noticed in the Arctic is that ravens love to play with dogs. I was just in the cabin for a little bit and now they're out here playing with the ravens. There's like 4 or 5 out there. And now they're coming on back because they see that I'm here. The skill you develop here is learning how to read the snow and what snow you can walk on. But it's really warm today and we had a recent snowfall, so it's a little harder to read.